Today, I want to focus on the best Solana airdrops from the free one to the trading one, perpetual ones, and other simple one to provide liquidity as well. So we cover every basis for everybody. So make sure to stick until the end because it is some very important airdrops to talk about. And we jump to the laptop. First thing first, there is this 10,000 F-Dog airdrop to everybody that holds this NFT over on Zora, as we see over here, mint an NFT and receive 10,000 F-Dog, which it is over on Farcaster. So we're gonna go and mint it, of course. Simply click over here on the network that you want, click on approve and click on mint it. As we see, very easy to go and do, and the link will be down below. This is one of those secure airdrop for everybody that will hold this NFT, and we are good to go and grab it. We got 49,000 mints from a lot of people. We only got 4 days left, so make sure to go and grab it. Link will be down below, and it is super easy. Following up, we start with the first airdrop. Now, the first airdrop is basically what Grass was before Grass launch, and it is Nodepay. The link will be down below, and as we see over here, it works the same as Grass. We got all the information that you need. We got everything that you need to go and do in terms of the airdrop itself. One thing that is different is that, first of all, you have the referral program, just like Grass. So if you wish to join, link down below. Thank you for the support. But we got missions and rewards. As we see over here, we have the possibility to go and get strict days, strict bonuses, 24 hours connection, inviting over your friends. We also got the quest for like Discord, X, Twitter, email verification, and all of this will give you extra point, just differently from what the Grass airdrop was. Then we got the earnings as well over here. You gotta connect your email, connect your wallet. We got 2 seasons of earnings, so make sure to go and grab it as we are in season 1 only. And the airdrop will come before the end of 2024. They have tweeted yesterday that it will be before Christmas as well. We then have the medals and boost, so like proof of humanhood is the most important one to go and do. So make sure to go and complete this one. And then we have the daily transaction login as we see over here. And with that said, we also have the Grass Season 2 airdrop. Now, Grass airdrop 1 has cooked. Season 2, it is already undergoing. As we see over here, over on the rewards, the Epoch 1 and the Epoch 2 have started already. So make sure that if you did not participate and you just want to join the Grass airdrop Season 2 because you have heard all of the hype, make sure to go and join. The link is down below and you're good to go. Simply open up and you will be collecting rewards as we always do, as normal as it gets. So make sure to go and join now, or if you haven't joined, make sure to go and open it and keep it open and do all of them good things. Nodepay and Grass, they work the same way. Nodepay is new, it will launch, as we see over here, it will launch before Christmas 2024, and I can actually showcase it to you as they have tweeted about yesterday about the airdrop. If we go over to the Nodepay official Twitter page, 747,000, and here we have it. Heard the rumor that Christmas is coming earlier this year. Have been naughty or nice, meaning that the airdrop will come. Another one over on Solana that I do participate in, this is not free one. This is a trading one. If you are good at trading or if you want to try it, is Drift. Now I will leave the link directly to the Drift down below. And as you see here, I am participating in this one by longing and shorting the market. Now I'm longing over on the Solana. You can short it, but then you have all the possibility to do perpetual, to do spot trading, to simply do swaps. The swap also gives you the possibility to collect points. And we got the earning over here as well. Explore and compare, lend and borrow. If you simply want to stay with stable coins, you can lend them and borrow them. As we see here, we got the USDC possibility. We got the PYUSD. We got all of them, as well as Jupiter Solana. This season 2 of Drift will actually really be good. And as we see here over on my referrals, my team is doing really good. We got over 1 million in trading volume, which is absolutely great. And here we got some people doing 347,000 daily volume. Now, to be able to be eligible for the airdrop, you do need to collect some points. You do need to procure some trading. You don't have to do 160,000 in volume. But like myself, for example, I am doing a position over here. I am longing and shorting the market, which this will give you the possibility to go and participate. As we see over here, yes, I am in a little bit of a loss in terms of like 2% loss, as we see over here, as I did long it this morning, and now it is simply going down just like the market happens. But this is a way for you to go and do it. The possibility to earn this airdrop is by longing and shorting the market, swapping and doing all the things. So it is a little bit different in terms of once you get over here to your wallet, you have the possibility to deposit over on your wallet on the main account. Deposit possibility, collect these tokens over here, which you will see the possibility to do. You will get your balance as we see over here. You can set all the profit and loss, USDC, as we see. Very, very simple to go and do it, but very easy to go. And this one will be one of the most important airdrop, in my opinion, on Solana. Now that Solana, it is actually cooking. Yes, I am simply on a open long position now. I just invested when it was over here. So potentially a bit of a bad mistake. Around 236 was my entry mark, as we see over here. Now it's at 231. So everything goes up, must come down. My liquidity bottom is over here. But definitely a good airdrop to go and participate. The next one, if you simply want to use USDC stablecoins, you do not want to risk it like we're doing here over on Drift with perpetual longing and shorting, which by the way, you can simply short again or long it without a crazy APY or without a crazy leverage. I believe I did a 40% leverage or something like that, or a 10% leverage, something not super smart, but I didn't have much to play with. If you want to go on this to a stablecoin, either you go and utilize the swapping and the lending and borrowing over on Drift. Otherwise, you can simply go and deposit them over on Parcl. Parcl Season 2 will be an airdrop that is going to cook, and I will leave you the link down below. As we see here, I do have 29,000 points already. I am ranked, I believe, 16,000 over here, 16,000 over 770,000 people, so not bad. But of course, people that deposit more money, as we see here, I got the margin collateral, the banking collateral. You got different possibilities to go and earn it, but I will leave you the link down below for you to go and participate, for you to go and join, which it is a really, really nice. You simply go over here, you deposit your funds in USDC from your Solana wallet, and you are. An honorable mention that is not over on Solana, but it is over on ZK ecosystem is GRVT. Now, GRVT is it's an airdrop that is completely free to go and do, so there is no reason for you to say, oh, I'm not going to join in, I'm not going to do this now. It is on a testnet, so it is absolutely free to go and earn. The one thing that is very important that I do like about this one is that you got quests to collect the raffle, and they are starting hot with KYC task. I know some people might not like it, but I personally like it. And why? Because everybody, all the exchange will have to be regulated in the future or be able to comply with a lot of rules. So they are already putting a game ahead. They are registered in Bermuda as well, in the Bermuda Island, and they are going to get one of the first one, and they are going to be allowed to trade a lot worldwide because of their KYC. But you're thinking, oh, I don't like KYC, I don't like this, I don't like that. But everything will be KYC at some point. ByBit will be KYC, KuCoin will be KYC, Binance will be KYC. ByBit, I believe, it also had a bit of a problem in terms of like customer KYC, know your customer situation, that they didn't. So they are literally bringing the game ahead. They got a huge billion-dollar backing, and they are going to be on ZK ecosystem. They are going to be the biggest exchange on the ZK ecosystem, in my opinion, and that's why I'm really, really heavily into it. But as of right now, you do not need to spend any money on it. Simply join, do the task down below, do daily task over on Zurli, Quest, Bitgree, and make sure that you are going to scale the leaderboard. You get points, you open your box, and you are good to go. So it is one of those that I really, really believe for the future. The other one that I'm really into it is Kamino. Now, Kamino airdrop, I'm not much into it for the Kamino airdrop itself, which, yes, I am farming. I got a 1.x boost. I am doing good in terms of points per day, and I'm very happy with it. I got 358,000 points. I'm still ranked number 35,000, so I'm not in the top 10%, nor top 100, top 100, top 1,000. It would be nice. But why am I farming Kamino? Well, first of all, there is a little bit of dollars to be made with the Kamino airdrop season 3, yes, but I am mostly farming Kamino for the Meteora one. As you see over here, all the liquidity providing that I am doing for USDT, for Jupiter and Solana, they are all on Meteora. Now, why am I doing this? Well, first of all, I was lucky enough also to enter it at a decent price. So my profit and loss is actually going up with both Solana, Jupiter, and the stable coins, as well as the WEN token. And all of these ones are simply over on Meteora. So every fee that I do get, every dollar that I put in, I do get Meteora points for the Meteora airdrop. So in this case, I'm farming the Meteora airdrop and I'm farming the Kamino airdrop. I'm doing 2 in 1. And by doing this, I have this one, which I do provide liquidity to the protocol. I do get that profit and loss on a daily basis if it goes up or down, of course. I do have a fees APY over on WEN, which is really, really nice, 99%, but I only put $100 and I made $3 in fees. I am also longing and shorting the market over here on Kamino, which helps me get a nice multiplier for the points. The longing and shorting is entirely because of the possibility of the Kamino airdrop, and I would like to go and have a big airdrop for the Kamino one. So the long and short thing, as we see over here on the point breakdown, which you can go and check for yourself, your point breakdown, my breakdown, the Solana and Jupiter, it is giving me 6,000 points per day, and I'm only leveraging $300 at a 2.5x leverage, and it is giving me 18.6 point boost, which is absolutely amazing. And this really helps to go and have the overall 21,000 points per day. The liquidity of the stable coins gives me a 1.3 boost, and it makes me, 12,000 points per day, but I have a couple of $1,000 in the liquidity over here, and I only have $300 on the leverage. So the more I make, when I will be in profit, I will potentially close my position and then open it again when Solana goes down. So to leverage and to always be on top, because this is really, really important. The more money I make, let's say the net value goes to $400 after a profit and loss of $60 profit, I will close the position, get my reward, wait for Solana to go down like it is happening right now, because everything that goes up, I was super excited simply because of these big candles today. So I jumped in over here thinking, oh, let's go to $250 over here. And then we closed the position potentially to short it. I was wrong. I was a little bit right at the beginning. It did went to 240, but then it goes down to 231. So no big deal. But in terms of going up, everything must come down. So this is my play over on Kamino. If it goes up and I see a 20% profit, now I'm in a 5% loss. But if I do see a 20% profit, I will sell, take the money, wait for Solana to go down maybe the next day or in 2 days, and then open again a long position. And the last but not least is the newest vote over on Jupiter Exchange. As we see over here, we got the Jupiter mobile background vote. Once again, the voting is very, very important. Make sure that you go and vote on this proposal. It is for the ASM reward as well. You will be receiving the rewards for this voting, not the Jupiter True airdrop, not the January airdrop. That has nothing to do with the votes, unfortunately. But you will have the rewards for the ASR rewards for all of your stake Jupiters, which we got, total stake Jupiter, quite nice. So make sure to go and do it. We got here the ASR rewards of the latest one, which I already got. Stake Jupiter, you get the amount. I got $50 to $60, which is actually really, really nice. But this one were my top airdrop over on the Solana ecosystem. I hope you did enjoy. Let me know your things and your thoughts down below. And with that said, I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.